In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the LTWP10PIR, a 10-watt LED PIR compact bulkhead. The LTWP10PIR is an energy-saving IP65 rated compact bulkhead, which is ideal for outdoor use on garages, back doors, porches or pathways at home. It has a voltage range of 100 to 240 volts and a control load of 10 watts. It is equipped with a wide detection angle PIR sensor with a range detection of 5 to 6 meters, making it perfect as a security light. Its 4000 Kelvin color temperature and 800 lumens of brightness provides warm and ample lighting for outdoor spaces. It's IP65 rated and has been tested rigorously to ensure water resistance and protection against the highest levels of dust. The ideal installation height is between 1.5 and 2.5 meters. If you'd like to find out more or to purchase, please visit our website or follow the links somewhere around this video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.